Hey, Dan at Veg here. After some years, we're back to visit the garden of our friends Julian and Linda in Eaglemont, where some 8 or 9 years ago, something like that, we went through quite an extensive permaculture design and implementation process. And we'll start in the front yard, and we'll go and find out what's behind this wall of grafted feijoas and prostate grevilleas here. Come on around. There used to be a path right here that has been swallowed up by these amazing acacia cognatas. They're so lush. Great front yard option. Just building soil, soft pomegranate in the front, which is performing really well. Amazing amount of produce. Big mop of rosemary, and then just check out this feeling of walking into the park, into the front of the middle of the front yard. Pre-existing crepe myrtle and orange to the other side of the feijoas. Volunteer eucalypt, but probably better off not here. Massive mulberry and strawberry guava. Pepino understory here with Tagasasti above and a nice little cluster of strawberry guavas here. We'll put a few rocks, ornamental rocks down in the middle. And if you come around here, right by the entrance, it's a beautiful smelling experience arriving at the front door here. Lots of different fragrances, and we've got this lovely honey locust, which is now quite a big tree that provides fantastic northern shade in summer from this north-facing wall. And this is a bit of an experiment. This is an Inga edulis, or an ice cream bean. Hopefully we'll get to a point where it produces the big bean with the ice cream-like pulpy flesh inside. So that's a glimpse of the front yard. Let's go and check the backyard out. So here we're in the backyard. Look at the size of this grape trunk. See how that comes up out of a bed up underneath the pergola here. So you've just got this amazing canopy of leaves all above you in your outdoor dining area. Raised cypress veggie beds. So this is a mulberry for shade over the lawn area. And then check this pond out. Just lovely, really settled in, full of azolla. Just a beautiful spot nestled in the corner here. We'll go and check the anti-aviary out. So the deciduous fruit trees are all in the big cave. This tank overflows into a duck pond. We're having a break from ducks at the moment. They're getting a bit carried away, and quite a few ducks here. But you can see the double row of trees underneath inside the anti-aviary. This is an early experiment in multi-planting, where we plant more than one fruit tree of the same variety in the same hole effectively. So here we've got 2 apricots, about 40 centimetres apart, and peaches and cherry. And we're getting a bit lower here, so it's slightly wetter. We're using area with apples, persimmon, around the corner coming through. We've got plums that appear at the end. So I can't wait to come back in summer, but it's just great to see how well it's established and aged, matured.